Quick video today. We're just going to do the cabin air filter on a 2015 F-150. This is the after-work garage. So with a lot of vehicles, you can just open the dash up, drop the glove box down, and just pinch this together, just these rubber stops here, and then you'd have your air filter right here. In this truck, it's basically still right there. You just have to remove a few pieces first, like this trim piece up here for holding pencils. Here we are. Yes. There's two little bolts here. They're 7mm. Take these guys off. With those two 7mm bolts removed, you can do some pulling around the plastic faceplate to remove it. Now, it takes a little more force than you might think, but you still want to be careful so you're not ripping it into pieces. There's also a switch on the left-hand side that's connected up into the dash. Now you want to be aware of that so you're not pulling the wires out, but if the switch comes apart as you remove the plastic, like it did for me, I'll show you how to get it back together. Alright, so now we just gotta unclip this thing here. And there is our cabin air filter. I have a suspicion this one was white beforehand, but still, it's gone from white to that color. We'll go ahead and throw the new one in. Is there a side that's preferred? Doesn't look like it. Okay, now we have to deal with this glove box switch. Take off this connector. Oh my god, it's falling apart even more. This goes in here. There's a little peg in there, and this spring goes on the peg. The clicker goes on there, and then looks like, let's see, this is the top, so that's the bottom. This goes through here like this, and clicks on there. Now we have our switch back together. And we can hook it up here. Hook this up. Push that back in where it's supposed to be. Look at that, like new. Now we just gotta get this all clipped back in. Come on. There it is. Oh, I think this piece is supposed to go into a slide here. Looks like this is supposed to go in here and attach somewhere down here. Push these guys in. Push this guy in. You literally just bend those little pieces in. Then I'm gonna... Oh, there is a little hole for this guy. Push him back into his spot. That looks good there. Can't forget my weird rubber piece. Alright, that just pushes back in. Back together. Looking good. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the Afterwork Garage.